everybody, and welcome to Flexoraro Fitness. I'm Adam Pecoraro, and today we're going to be watching my friend Mario do his training session. And yeah, it is cold in the gym this February. Okay, well, Mario is out here with great perseverance. No excuses, don't matter how cold or late it is or what he did in his day, he's here with a smile and ready to work. So we're starting the part of the workout that you're seeing with a squat to a calf raise. I say the part that you're seeing is because he already did a whole ab routine and a maintenance routine for his chest and back before we begin this HIIT workout. Now, the primary muscles worked are the glutes, the hamstrings, the calves, and the quadriceps. But one of the best things about it is to work on your balance. So that's the main reason that he's doing the squat to calf raise today, is to increase the core recruitment and his sense of balance. So now Mario's doing a reverse lunge with a bicep curl. And the reverse lunge obviously activates your core, but also your glutes, your hamstrings, your quadriceps. They put less strain on your joints than a forward lunge, and they give you a bit more stability in your front leg, and that makes it ideal for people who have knee concerns. Mario doesn't have that. Again, going with our balance theme, reverse lunges are a great way for you to work on balance and to develop flexibility in the hip flexors, the quadriceps, and just generally improve hip mobility. In his previous workouts, he's done a lot of reverse lunges with external weight, so we're just increasing the challenge by adding a coupling of lower body and upper body. All right, flipping the switch. Wow, this is the most dramatic one yet. Oh man! All right, here we go. I mean, serious business. Deadlift clean to press. So the deadlift is great for the posterior chain, very functional because you're training yourself to pick something up. And because I don't have Mario drop the weight, he's also training himself to put something down with control and use his muscles going both ways. The clean and press builds strength in different muscles across your upper and lower body. So it affects your hamstrings, your quadriceps, it affects your biceps, your glutes, your triceps, your shoulders or deltoids, the rhomboids down the middle of the back, the trapezius in the upper back, and your lower back. And the clean to press is great for developing neuromuscular coordination and core muscle coordination. It's about trying to balance and posture through a variety of dynamic movement, but carrying weight that's very heavy. So you really have to be on your game. You cannot afford to lose your balance. This is something that he's progressed to and will continue to progress in from this point on, but the challenge is always control. More than the weight you lift, you've got to be able to control what your body is doing. Okay, so now we're doing a slam ball, and the slam ball exercise is simply throwing it into the ground. And it's a great exercise because it's something that's simple. It works your shoulders, your triceps, your chest or your pecs, your calves, your back, your core, especially your abdominals, and again, working with our theme of balance. This is a power move, so he needs to do strength and speed, just like what he did with the deadlift clean to press. The clean into the press is a power move. You have to have a reasonable amount of controlled speed to help commit to driving that weight up. But whereas on the clean to press, the weight was going up, now with the slam ball, the weight is going down. And now we're having Mario do an elevated squat thrust. Now again, there's a lot to his workout that you didn't see, including 2,000 meters on the rowing machine, and then a chest and back workout, and about a 15-minute ab workout. At this point, he's pretty exhausted, and because we have an awful lot for his legs in this HIIT workout, give him a little bit of relief by having him do his squat thrust on the incline. But whether it's on an incline or straight on the ground, the squat thrust can tone and build muscles in your triceps and pecs, and it absolutely activates your lower body muscles. So again, hamstrings, quads, glutes, calves. They can also improve cardiovascular health. And you couple that with the previous exercise, the slam ball, and you get a nice little anaerobic cardio burnout at the end of his HIIT set. With proper form, squat thrust will totally add a cardio element to your routine by increasing your heart rate. They're a great way for you to cap off your workout, and you can just go for broke and then get yourself some recovery or call it a day. Mario, in this case, did this workout for 3 sets. Thank you so much, Mario, for leading by example, and I thank all of you for watching. Hey, click that thumbs up and like this video, subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And if you leave a comment, I'd be happy to respond. I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you next time.